Hi there friends, this is Deepak Kshatriya and I welcome you all to another new session in Deepak's Kitchen. And guys, today is a feast for you all, and in this recipe I'm going to show you one of my favorite recipe, that's Keema Kaleji. I'll guarantee you, if you do this recipe in my method, I'm sure that you will be addicted to this, because this recipe is this simple and that beautiful. So without much wasting time, let's see how this beautiful and yummy recipe Keema Kaleji is done. Ingredients required for this recipe is 700 grams of chicken mince meat, 300 grams of chicken liver, 300 grams of finely chopped onions, mint leaves 2 tablespoons, 2 tablespoons of finely chopped coriander leaves, 1½ tablespoons of chili powder, 1 teaspoon of garam masala powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, ½ teaspoon of jeera powder, 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, 4 to 5 cloves, 2 black cardamom, an inch of cinnamon stick and a teaspoon of jeera, ½ teaspoon of turmeric and salt to taste. Bay leaf 1, 100 grams of yogurt or curd, 125 ml of cooking oil. To make this awesome recipe, we'll first prepare a masala paste. For this, I'm taking a cup of fresh yogurt. We'll add the red chili powder, turmeric, dhania powder, garam masala powder, and finally the jeera powder. We'll mix everything to a nice thick paste. If you want, you can add some water. Now look, this masala paste is now nice and ready. We'll keep this aside for about 10 minutes. And now I have kept a kadai to heat, and the kadai is nice and hot. And we'll add this cooking oil. The oil is also nice and hot. We'll add some black cardamom, cinnamon stick, cloves, or the cumin or the jeera. And we'll add this bay leaf. Let the aroma of these whole spices infuse with the oil. Let's add the finely chopped onions. Keep in mind, we need to saute these onions till it's golden brown. That is the most important trick in this recipe. To make this process faster, we'll add a little bit of salt in this. And keep on sauteing until the onions get golden brown. And it will take anywhere between 8 to 10 minutes for you in a medium flame. And you can look at this, the onions are nicely been sauteed, and this is exactly what I'm looking for. And now we'll add this ginger garlic paste into this. We'll fry this until the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes away. And now you can see the onions are perfectly now ready. And now we'll add this masala paste. Mix this well and let it cook until the oil floats on the top. Keep in mind, the flame should be always on a medium flame. We'll close the lid and allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. And now we'll add the chicken liver. We'll mix this well and allow this to cook for about 5 minutes on a medium flame. Allow this to cook for about 5 minutes. Look, after 4 minutes, wow! You can see how the oil is all floating on the top. Mix this well and good. At this time, we'll add the finely chopped mint leaves. Give this a mix. At this time, we'll add the finely minced chicken. With a soft hand, mix them well and good, but be very gentle with it. And now on a high flame, we'll let it cook for about 10 to 12 minutes. I can't wait anymore. Just look at this, how awesome this looks. And you can see all the oil is also floating on the top. It means that the mince is perfectly cooked and the recipe is now ready. So for the final touches, I'm going to add some coriander leaves. And lastly, we'll add some remaining salt. And we'll mix them nice and good. And now you can see how this beautiful keema kaleji is being done. And now it's perfectly ready. Wow, look at this, how beautiful this recipe is. Hope you guys like this video and also subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click the bell icon for regular updates. And also share this recipe link with your family and friends. So we'll be back with another yummy recipe. Till then, this is your host Deepak Kshatriya signing off and Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka. Namaste.